They say attraction isn't just about looks. It's about the energy a man gives off. That silent magnetic pull that makes a woman stop mid-thought and wonder, who is he? Because when a man truly knows his worth, he doesn't chase validation. He doesn't try to prove his value. He radiates it. Hi everyone, I'm Amelia, and welcome back to Dark Psychology, the channel where we decode the subtle unseen forces that shape attraction, confidence, and connection. And in today's video, we're diving into something every man secretly wonders about. What do women actually find attractive in a man? But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because every week I help you master the mind games of love, attraction, and emotional intelligence. Now, let's get started. Here are the 17 traits women love and why they work so powerfully on a subconscious level. Trait number 1. Women love leadership skills and a man with a purposeful, busy life. A man with leadership energy doesn't have to shout commands and naturally moves through life with direction. And direction is sexy. But let's clear one thing up. Busy life doesn't mean too busy for love. It means your life already has a purpose. You've built something that matters and she is to fit into your schedule. Not the other way around. See, women love being valued, but they don't want to be your entire world right away. They want to earn that space. So when you're decisive with your time, when you say, I'm free Friday, let's grab coffee then, instead of, I don't know, maybe whenever, it tells her something powerful. You respect your life. You respect your time, and you're not bending your priorities just to please her. That's what leadership really looks like. It's not money. It's not controlled. It's clear. A man who leads his own life is the man women naturally want to follow. Trait number 2. You're passionate about something. Passion is one of the sexiest things a man can have. It doesn't matter what it is. Golf, music, building something, climbing mountains, writing, coding, photography. Passion gives your energy depth. When a man talks about something he loves, his entire energy changes. His eyes light up. His voice gets richer. And that emotional vibration, women feel it because passion equals purpose. It shows you're alive, motivated, and emotionally intelligent enough to chase fulfillment, not just comfort. So maybe you play in a weekend tournament. Maybe you hit the gym with a goal, or maybe you're learning a new skill just because it excites you. Whatever it is, let her see that spark. Because women aren't just drawn to passion. They're drawn to the way passion makes you move through life. When you talk about what drives you, it reminds her that you're a man who's going somewhere and she'll want to come along for the ride. Trait number 3. You don't even realize you're hot. Here's a secret. Confidence is magnetic, but humility makes it addictive. There's something irresistible about a man who doesn't even realize how attractive he is. You're not flaunting it. You're not chasing validation. You just are. Now, this doesn't mean you put yourself down. It means you don't need to brag or flex to feel valuable. When a man walks in the room and he's calm, collected, and unaware of how others see him, it creates mystery. And mystery is oxygen for attraction. Women notice the way you carry yourself more than your clothes or your looks. When you're comfortable in your own skin, when your energy says, I don't need to prove anything, you become effortlessly magnetic. Because here's the truth. The most dangerous kind of attractive man is the one who doesn't even know he's attractive. And speaking of confidence, the next few traits go even deeper because they reveal how a man's mindset, communication, and emotional balance can pull a woman in faster than anything physical ever could. Trait number 4, you're opinionated but respectful. There's a difference between being loud and being certain, and women can feel that difference instantly. A man with opinions isn't trying to dominate a room. He simply knows where he stands. You have your own thoughts, your own beliefs, and the courage to express them without needing everyone to agree. That's what women crave. Conviction wrapped in calmness. You don't nod along just to please her. You don't water down your views because you're scared she might not like them. Instead, you say what you mean and you say it with respect. You can disagree with grace. You can debate without ego because you understand that being opinionated isn't about being right. It's about being real. Psychologically, this hits hard. When you stand firm in your truth, you signal emotional independence, and that's deeply attractive. A woman feels safe with a man who has boundaries in his thinking. Because if you can hold your ground in conversation, she knows you'll hold your ground in life. Trait number 5. You take things slow. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, patience has become the ultimate power move. When a man takes things slow, it says, I'm not here for the thrill. I'm here for something real. Rushing feels desperate. Pacing feels confident. You plan your time. You create anticipation. You show her she's worth getting to know. Not just toe chase, but to understand. And here's where it gets psychological. When you slow down, you give her mind room to imagine you. That mystery builds emotional tension, and tension builds attraction. So instead of texting all day or showing up every night, you create space. Space where curiosity grows. You stay busy, focused, in control. And when Friday finally comes, you show up fully. That's how you stand out, because most men try to impress quickly. But the man who takes his time makes her wonder. And wondering is the first stage of wanting. Trait number 6, you're decisive. You lead with clarity. Indecision kills attraction faster than rejection ever will. Picture this. You ask a woman what she wants to do. She says, I don't know. What do you want to do? Then you both bounce that question back and forth until the energy dies. Sound familiar? That's why decisiveness matters. A decisive man doesn't waste time overthinking. He chooses, he leads. It doesn't mean controlling her choices. It means offering direction with confidence. You might say, how about sushi at 8? You'll love this place. Simple, direct, assured. This tiny act shows leadership. And leadership communicates safety because women subconsciously associate decisiveness with certainty. And certainty feels secure. So when you know what you want and you move with intention, you're sending a clear psychological message. I can handle myself and I can handle life. That's irresistible because true attraction isn't built on looks. It's built on trust. And speaking of trust, the next few traits take it even further. We'll explore how style, subtle dominance, and effortless confidence make a man unforgettable long after he's left the room. Trait number 7, you're stylish or simply well put together. Let's be honest, not every man needs to be a fashion model, but every man should own his presentation. Style isn't about brand names or price tags, it's about effort. When a man takes time to dress well, to stay clean, sharp, intentional, it silently communicates discipline. And discipline, Amelia, is one of the most attractive traits a man can have. You don't have to know every trend. You just need to understand your look. Maybe it's a clean white shirt, dark jeans, and confidence. Maybe it's fitted jackets, simple boots, and a calm presence. Whatever it is, it should reflect you. Women don't just notice what you wear. They notice what your style says about you. It says, I value myself. It says, I pay attention. It says, I'm a man who gives a damn. And that energy, that care, it draws them in before you even say a word. So build a look that matches your personality, not someone else's. Because when your outside matches your inner confidence, the result is magnetic authenticity. Trait number 8, you speak with a deep, grounded voice. A man's voice is one of his most powerful tools. When it's deep, steady, and slow, it instantly changes how a woman feels because a deep tone signals confidence, presence, and control. Now that doesn't mean you fake a baritone. It means you own your words. You speak with certainty, not hesitation. You know when to pause, when to let silence carry weight, when to let your voice rest. And that stillness is what captivates. A confident voice says, I'm comfortable in myself. I know who I am. I'm not in error to be understood because I already understand myself. You don't need to talk louder. You need to talk with purpose because true confidence doesn't shout. It resonates, and the deeper your tone, the deeper your impact. Trait number 9, you have a bit of stubble. Here's something primal, a little stubble, that soft edge of roughness. It triggers something ancient in attraction psychology. It's the balance between refinement and rawness. Not too polished, not too wild. That 5 shadow effect says, I can be dangerous, but I'm in control of it. And whether you realize it or not, women notice it more than you think. It gives your face texture, dimension, and masculinity. But more importantly, it shows you're comfortable being yourself. You don't hide behind perfection. You let your natural edge show. That's what confidence looks like in physical form. Trait number 10, you have a dog or you love animals. Let's be real, this one's almost unfair. A man walking his dog doesn't just look approachable. He looks safe. He looks nurturing. He looks human. There's a softness in the way a man treats his pet that reveals the truth about his character. Because how a man treats those who depend on him tells you everything about the kind of partner he'll be. So when you stop in the park, toss a ball, laugh, and let your dog jump around, you're not just showing playfulness, you're showing heart. And women feel that. Owning a dog doesn't just make you attractive, it makes you memorable because it says, I'm capable of care. And that's the kind of quality that breaks down walls instantly. So if you're an introvert or someone who struggles to meet women, start walking your dog more often. You'll be surprised how quickly a simple "he's adorable" can turn into a conversation worth remembering. And here's where attraction gets even deeper. The next traits reveal what truly separates the good guys from the men women can't stop thinking about. Intellect, self-acceptance, and the kind of quiet confidence that lingers long after you're gone. Trait number 11. You're intelligent and full of knowledge. Intelligence is the quiet spark that turns physical attraction into fascination. When a man speaks with knowledge, when he teaches, when he opens a woman's mind to something new, it creates connection on a level that looks can't touch. See, smart isn't just about knowing facts. It's about curiosity. You read, you explore, you question, you listen. You're not afraid to admit when you don't know something because learning is your confidence. Women are drawn to that energy. The man who feeds her mind, not just her emotions. You challenge her thinking. You invite her opinions. You make her feel seen intellectually. That's what creates chemistry that doesn't fade overnight. Because when she learns something from you, her brain ties that memory to you. And that's how fascination becomes attachment. Trait number 12, you own your look. Completely gray hair, a receding hairline, a bald head. Whatever it is, you own it. Confidence isn't hiding your flaws. It's turning them into your signature. One of the sexiest things a man can do is stop apologizing for how he looks. You wear your story instead of covering it up. That streak of silver, it shows experience. Those lines, they show that you've lived. A man who owns himself radiates power. He's not competing. He's completed. And women notice because authenticity feels safer than perfection. So don't hide behind filters or insecurity. Walk into the world as if every imperfection is part of your armor because that's exactly what it is. Trait number 13, your sock game and small details. Sounds funny, right? But details speak volumes. When you sit down and your socks reveal a hint of color, a pattern, a story, it shows you pay attention. It's not about fashion. It's about awareness. Women pick up on micro signals, the subtle coordination, the clean shoes, the effort. It all says, I take pride in myself. And pride, when it's quiet and understated, is pure masculine energy. So yes, even your socks can whisper confidence because attraction lives in the details most men overlook. Trait Daster 14. You smell incredible. Scent is memory. It's emotion in an invisible form. When a man smells good, he leaves an imprint that lingers long after he's gone. That moment when she catches your scent again, in a crowd and her body remembers you before her mind does. That's psychological attraction. You don't need the most expensive cologne. You just need consistency. A fragrance that becomes yours. Apply it lightly. Clean skin, subtle notes, musk, cedar, spice, something that feels grounded. It's not about covering yourself. It's about expressing yourself. Because smell is the fastest sense to trigger memory. And when a woman associates that scent with feeling safe, desired, or excited, she'll crave your presence without knowing why. That's not perfume, that's psychology. The next few traits take all of this to the next level. Grooming, adventure, and the kind of confident respect that turns attraction into admiration. Because by now it's not about looks anymore. It's about presence, trait number N15. Well-groomed hands, confidence in the details. They say you can tell a lot about a man by his hands, and it's true. Rough, unpolished nails, constant fidgeting, biting, all of it sends subconscious signals. It shows nervousness, distraction, or insecurity. But clean, well-kept hands. They speak with calm control. They say, I care about how I present myself. Because women notice every handshake, every gesture, every touch. It's not about being perfect. It's about being aware. Your hands are often the first physical connection she'll experience. And how they look, feel, and move tells her volumes about who you are. So keep them clean. Keep them steady because those small details, they reveal your mindset louder than words ever could. Trait number 16, you're adventurous. Adventure doesn't just mean skydiving or surfing. It means being alive. Women are drawn to men who say yes to life. You're the kind of man who tries new things, explores new places, and breaks routine just to feel alive again. That energy, that willingness to experience is deeply magnetic. You don't need to have the perfect life or the perfect job. What matters is that you bring vitality wherever you go. Maybe you hike, fish, explore, dive, or just take random road trips to nowhere. Whatever it is, you're creating stories instead of excuses. Because women aren't attracted to boredom. They're attracted to movement. And adventure shows one thing clearly. I'm not afraid to live. That's not just exciting, it's intoxicating. Trait 17. You're confident and you carry it with respect. Confidence is the thread that connects every trait in this list. But real confidence isn't loud. It's the man who treats everyone with dignity. From the woman he's with to the waiter who pours his drink. Confidence isn't arrogance. It's composure. It's the unspoken calm that says, I know who I am and I don't need to prove it. And that quiet respect, that balance of strength and grace is what makes you unforgettable. Because the truth is, women don't fall for the man who's the loudest in the room. They fall for them and who makes the room feel calm. When you combine all of these, leadership, patience, passion, intelligence, style, kindness, adventure, you become more than attractive. you become magnetic. Gentlemen, attraction isn't a performance. It's not about tricks or tactics. It's about energy. Your energy. When you know who you are, when you live with direction, curiosity, and purpose, you stop chasing and start drawing. So which of these traits hit you the hardest? Which one do you already have? And which one do you need to build next? Drop your thoughts in the comments because reflection is where transformation begins. And remember, no matter how far you've come, no matter what you've been through, you are already enough. You are already powerful and you are always loved. If this video brought you value, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Dark Psychology, and share it with someone who's ready to become the best version of themselves. Until next time.